Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make easy tahini lemon sauce. Cue the music. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down below there and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and then share this with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a tahini lemon sauce. As most of you know, I have started eating a whole foods plant-based diet, and one of the things I have learned is that you do a lot of meal prep and you make a lot of the bowls, what they call bowls. And one of the things that the bowls really needs is a good sauce to help complement the flavors. So that's one of the components of the bowls is a sauce. So I'm making this lemon tahini sauce today to kind of help you out. If you're starting out just like I am, we'll go do this together. But here's a nice sauce that will complement many of the bowls that you'll be making if you're eating a plant-based whole foods diet. All right, we got our ingredients right here. I'm going to move these out of the way, get a nice larger bowl here for all the ingredients. So there we go, large enough bowl for all your ingredients. We got a half a cup of tahini sauce right here. We're going to add our water to this to thin it out just a little bit. Now you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. We're going to stir that in there. We're going to put our lemon juice right on in, and then our oil, a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to get the rest of this tahini out of there. Alright, whip this up really nice. There we go, lemon tahini sauce, a little bit thick. I'm going to bowl this up, take some pictures of it, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Alright, well those were some beautiful pictures. I did take some of this because when we were doing the shot with the cucumber and the sauce on it, I wanted to kind of taste it, see how it tasted. Very good. Let's go ahead and just describe some of what we've got going on here. The consistency is thick. It sticks, as you see right here, to the cucumber very well. Now if you want to use this as a dressing, say you're making like a salad bowl, or something with a lot of chopped up vegetables and some lettuce or whatever, you want to thin it out. So feel free to add a little bit more lemon juice and some water. If you're making something for a dip like I'm doing right now, leave it thick. It'll be good. Perfect the way it is. When you're making it, you can make that decision when you're making it too. So I'm going to go ahead and taste this right now. Very rich. I don't know the exact word for what tahini tastes like, but nuttiness is what's coming through. A little bit of savoriness. The lemon juice, you can taste that in there. The salt kind of brings it all out too. And then you got the oil, gives it a nice pleasurable base. So it's not as pasty tasting as tahini is. So but this is really good. This would go well with like a roasted vegetable bowl or anything Mediterranean or Middle Eastern because of that tahini in there. So this is a good start. I'm going to make a playlist of all the different sauces that we're going to do for plant-based whole foods diets. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget that that recipe is down in the description box along with some other groovy links. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon.
Don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing?